Hey guys, it's Jess for Technihouse Inspections. I am in the basement checking air conditioners and taking a measurement that we call a delta T. And what that is the temperature differential between your supply and your return air. So essentially how much that unit is cooling between the air that comes back to it after it's been cooled and then sent out to the house. That's what we call a delta T reading. And depending on the coolant you're using, if you're using the older Freon R22 that has been phased out, you tend to get a colder coil, so you tend to get a greater differential between your delta T. If your unit is using R410A, commonly called Puron, you might get a lesser degree of difference between the two. So depending on your coolant, you're looking for somewhere, or your refrigerant, you're looking for somewhere between a 14 to 22 degree temperature split. 22 is very, very high to have that big of a difference. But I will show you what that looks like down here at a basement at a furnace, checking the supply and the return temperatures. So you'll see here, if I can get that out of light, it's coming back at 69. And then this is after it's been cooled, and we're at about 56 degrees. So that tells me that the unit is cooling quite well. It's fine for this. I just turned these units on just a couple of minutes ago, and we're already getting like a 14 degree temperature split. And the house wasn't that warm to begin with because it's cool, it's still morning here. So these units are doing fine. So it's something that if you have a thermostat, I have a digital read one, which is quick. You can take your own delta T readings and see how your air conditioner is doing, because maybe the coil needs to be cleaned, change the filters, maybe it's low on refrigerant. These are things you can do yourself to maintain the system well. All right, bye guys.